Hi guys, welcome back to my channel on Today TV. Welcome to my lovely supporters, to my other viewers, those who are still trying to make up their minds. Come on in, man. Come and join on Today TV. That's the best place to be right now, you know. Guys, do you know crab?
Put on some crabs.
Y'all, let's make a crab boil in the air fryer. Listen, don't knock it till you try it. So first I boiled my potatoes first, then I washed my corn really good.
That's right.
I was scared, so I was like jumping because
What did he just say?
What the hell?
I was like jumping because they were live. Did I mention that? And then I went ahead and seasoned my blue crabs with some Creole.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I just watched this lady air fry 2 crabs. Let me say that to you again. She seasoned the crabs while they were alive. She air fried these crabs while they were alive. Mind you, the air fryer that you air fry these crabs in was glass, see-through. So you see these crabs losing their life. At least when you put a crab in the pot in the boiling water, you put the top on top of the pot, you can't see what's going on. But you sat there and you recorded everything. Oh, and you don't know what I'm talking about? Mind you, those vegetables you made, that corn, those potatoes and things of that nature, you threw those in the pot. You boiled those. So you couldn't boil those crabs. You had to assassinate those crabs on social media. Why are y'all so crazy? Why did you do this?
Well, now we're in the season for crabs, and it's a well-loved, delicious, expensive meal. But there are many ways people prepare it. But basically, it has to be done properly so that you don't get sick, or you eat it the right way. You can be enjoying.
That's right.
Now, when you go and get the crab, some people go into open lands, some will go on the river or in ponds or lakes, and they will set their catch to get the crabs, and they would go in because they'll put some bait first into the net, into the thing that they used to put them in, and the crabs would crawl into it too, and lobster do the same thing. And then now, when they take them out, they put them into a nice big container and take them home. The popular crabs are some blue ones, but anyhow, you have different color crabs. You have some red, they have different mixed colors, blue and different. And you have to wash them properly, clean them up nicely, and then you put them to cook, to boil. Some people will prepare it with corn or other type of vegetables, but to me, it has to be boiled properly, and after that, you can take out the meat. And some people will curry it, and they say they're having curry crab. So crab meat is eaten by many persons, and it is said to be delicious. But first, we have to do it the best way that it should be done. So if you are going to prepare crab, first I think you should have it properly washed with a hose that has force water.
Honey, they wash it.
To get rid of all any mud or dirt or any debris that could be hitched onto it, because they have claws, and they have some tools where have some little hair on it sometimes. So some things will hitch up there. So you want it to be so clean. You want it to be so perfectly clean. And then after you wash off, because you wash them up, clean up nicely, you put them in another bucket of some clean water again. Maybe you'd add a little bit of, say, a little light vinegar to make sure you get rid of all the outside debris. So sometimes some little things are left there that your naked eye may not see. And then now, you put them into this pot. And sometimes you can use a lot of pepper, but you determine the taste according to how you would like it. And you allow it to boil for some time. It has to be properly cooked. And the way I see people eat it, they enjoy it so much. But if it's not done properly, it can make you sick, just like any other meat. If it's not prepared properly, the digestive part of it is going to give problem. So when you prepare your meat or whatever you're going to have, pay attention to how you're preparing it. And even when we eat out at times, we have to take precaution as to wonder if they do it the way you do or better. Because I'm really wondering if the person thinks it could have been just done like that.
Don't be ashamed, girl.
That's what we're here for, to learn.
And just eat it like that. And I'm wondering if she really did eat it like that.
Disgusting.
But it's interesting to see. Interesting times are ahead because, as I say, some persons prepare their things differently. But how palatable is it going to be if it's not done properly? Right? Would you take a crab that is walking live and put it on your plate to eat? And then would you hold the toes or the claws and just try to break and eat it at the same time? Would you try to cook it properly first? Right? I would like to see somebody trying to eat a live crab. Eat it as a crab live. So while you're trying to eat the crab will be crawling over the plate. You take your time and break a leg. No, I don't think it can be done like that, but some people just might. But we're going to look at the clip with how this person was preparing her crab for her meal. And tell me in your comments, don't go and don't comment, what you think about it, right?